Does your PC have you feeling like this? Don't let subpar storage cramp your style.
Break free from your computing confines with this 26 terabyte expansion drive from Seagate, the most trusted brand in digital storage devices. In fact, Seagate is so confident in the quality of their products that each of these expansion drives comes with a 1-year limited warranty. And even if the worst should happen, Seagate will be there to help with their rescue data recovery service, helping you save as much of your precious data as possible. These are serious, no-nonsense storage machines. There are no drivers to download, no setup screens to navigate. You just plug it in, power it up, and you are ready to start storing. It even automatically recognizes Windows and Mac OS for quick installation. And with 26 terabytes, you can store a lot. That's approximately 1,300 hours of 4K video, or 6,500 HD movies, or 7 million photographs. You see what I'm getting at? There's a lot of storage in here. This type of high-capacity storage is perfect for video editors, professional photographers, and digital creators, but it's also a huge asset for IT professionals and business managers because just one of these Seagate expansion drives turns any old workstation into a secure backup hub for dozens of work laptops. Or maybe you're like me and you just can't stand to get rid of anything. Oh. Been looking for that. Don't delete those files, photos, memes, and more. Just upgrade to the plug-and-play freedom of the Seagate 26 terabyte expansion drive from Newegg.com. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to start picking up my stuff. Hey Nico, could you hand me a box? Oh!